You already know what's going on. It's Bronny, and this is Bronny It's Revenge, and we're back here with another video. Now, I'm not gonna lie, guys. This week has been crazy so far. We have done unboxing on unboxing on unboxing. Literally, right now, we're wearing a hoodie from unboxing. We got our Kanye West Born Again hoodie from Market. But today, I got this package that's like half my height. And it came from this little store in New York. So if you don't know, I'm in this pretty fire Discord. Shout out Reseller Secrets. And I got the hit on this Supreme skateboard for retail. I got it for $60 when it came out. And I know it's selling for like 100 or 150 right now. So this is a pretty fire skateboard. I'm about to unbox it for you guys right now. But first we have to figure out what we're about to unbox this with. So I've been thinking what to unbox this thing with because I've been using so many different things. I was going to use a TV mount, but it's too easy. And I thought about smashing it open with my speaker, but I don't want to put collateral damage on my skateboard. So I found something perfect and small that I can use to open this thing. AirPod case. So without further ado, let's get this unboxing. See that? Okay, that's enough. Do the rest of my hands. This is impossible. Alright, let's actually open this thing up now. AirPods was a bit great. The whole thing is looking like. I'm actually pretty hyped to see what a Supreme skateboard is looking like. So, yo, this is fire! Yo, you see this? You guys see this? I probably see myself skating on this thing right now. Like, nah, I can't skate for nothing, but this is definitely going on the wall. As you guys can see, they threw on a Supreme sticker right there. We got our Supreme logo right here. This is pretty fire. I don't know what that says. What does that say? It says Sean Carver or something. It says Sean somebody. I don't know, but this is a pretty fire board. As you guys can see, it says Nuns and Guns Skateboard. This is Nuns and Guns Skateboard. It's pretty fire, pretty dope. Definitely gonna be hanging this up on my wall. And this is the back graphic. You got our flowers down here, and then you got these two dudes in like Cheech and Chong. It might be Cheech and Chong, honestly, but he has looking like a pig tattoo on his stomach, and he has a little make a great again hat. So that's just hilarious to me. I really like this board right here. It's pretty cool to me. It's pretty unique. I don't see a lot of people with it. And it came out. I got it for retail for $60. I could probably resell it for like $200, honestly. So probably $150, $200. So this is a pretty good board. I really like it. As you guys can see on the top, has little clouds with the birds, and they got the little rifles pointing at them. So this is a pretty fire board. You guys like it? I don't know. It's pretty saucy to me. I got it for a great price. You guys aren't really finding this unless you copped it for retail or unless you're buying them off StockX. So what you guys think? Right here? No? Oh. No, for real. I could just see myself like just riding the waves with this one right here, just like, you know. But this is another unboxing for you guys. We have the Nuns and Guns skateboard. Comment below how you guys like this, and Bronny It's Revenge out.